It's a Sunday morning and Mother's Day too. In the kitchen, mom's getting it through. She's cooking up a storm with love and with care. Rice and stew and chicken, a meal beyond compare. She's an Igbo woman, strong and so proud, from Anambra State, with a heart so loud. She's up before dawn to get everything ready for church and for family, a day to be steady. What a proud mother. Stirring the pot with a spoon in hand, adding spices and salt to make the flavors stand. The aroma fills the air as the food starts to boil. Mom's kitchen is a heaven where love and joy toil. She is thinking of her children and her husband too, how they'll gather around to share this meal anew. She's thinking of the church and the service to come, where they will celebrate mothers and the love they've become. The kitchen's warm and cozy with the morning sun rays. Mom's moving with purpose as she gets every single thing in place. She's a Nigerian mother with a heart of gold, getting ready for the day with a love that never grows old. This poem is dedicated to all Nigerian mothers for their resilience, for their strong will to raise purpose-fulfilling children. Mothers never get a break from this beautiful yet exhausting journey of motherhood. I am so sure that even on this beautiful day, you are somewhere around the kitchen cooking up a storm for your family. Nene, acharugo nwanyi ọma. Nwanyi mara obi nwa ya, ezigbo mama eji eje mba, asa nwanyi na-agba mbọ, ọ pụrụ iche dị na nwanyi, ugegbe oyibo di ya, akwa nwa, elelebe eje ọnụ, achala ugo nwanyi ọma dị mma. Ndị nne mama, ndị nne mama, ndị nne mama o. I'm ready for church. Today is Mothering Sunday. Mama? Sending the mama.
Sending mama.
Good girl. So I'll see you guys later after church. Yeah, wait, everybody wants to be in the vlog.
Let me see.
Go to the back, please. Open the car, let Mama get inside. Mama, get inside the car. You didn't know you enter. Remove that thing from your mouth. Everybody sit down. Sit. Hey loves, what's up? Welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back. So Sunday service has been done and dusted. Every Sunday today was successful in church. We are back home. Everybody is settled. Like everybody is literally settled. But for me, I don't want anything else today than just to rest. I don't want to go nowhere. I don't want to do no stuff. I just want to rest. Let me show you guys what my kids give to me. These children are really sharp for me. Instead of them to give me money, they're giving me paintings of a heart. Let me show you. So all of them gave me this. I think this was from Mona. He gave me this and it's like, Mommy, please manage it. I tried. He's such a soft boy. And where's the Nazone? I think I've lost that one. And this one is from Jidena. Look at the heart. It's so cute. And he said, happy words, happy birthday, happy Mother's Day. But anyway, it's the thought that matters. I appreciate it so freaking much. But honestly, you guys, I don't get enough rest. And my husband said, what do you want to do today? I said, I want to rest. Like, I just want to rest. Anything can come after this rest, but I just want to sleep. I don't want nothing. I want just my me time, my laptop, my Wi-Fi, and my Korean movie. And that's all I want. So since everybody is now settled, I'm going to take my time. I'm not going to do it very quickly. I'm going to take my time, relax, watch my movies, sleep, and maybe just see how I feel when I wake up. Okay, so yeah, try to Ignore that open wardrobe there. Thought to pick up this camera to let you guys know what's going on and how our Sunday has been really pretty chilled. Nepa gave us light today. As if they knew we are celebrating Mother's Day today, yeah. So, but yeah, let me quit talking too much and just rest. Let me just rest.
The next day.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's about to go down. It's workout morning and we're about to go get it as it hurts. So see you guys at the gym. Yeah.
She calls out to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I know where to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, things were cause it's another day. Paradise. Oh, things were it's another day. You and me. Pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, these ways. It's another day. Paradise. Oh, these ways. It's another day. You and me in bed. Oh yeah, just think about it. Ooh. Think about it. Oh yeah.
When you want to read or learn how to read, you don't have to force it. You don't have to get impatient. You have to be very patient. Take your time and try pronouncing the words by the sound. Example, words that start with CR, you go kr. You understand? You go kr. The ones that start with PRO, you know, it starts with, you pronounce it as pro. Product, production, you understand? Produce, agricultural produce. You were struggling a few minutes ago, but now you could read that thing. Clap for yourself. Good job. Oh yeah, keep on going.
Timber is also used to provide leathers for our shoes, bag, table, window, cupboard, doors, etc. These are the few we could educate you all about agricultural products. Thank you all.
Exactly. But you made a mistake somewhere. You said timber is, I said timber is also used to produce roofing sticks. I heard you mention shoes, bags. Those ones are what they taught you in your class. You have it in your head, very good. But in this book now that they said you should memorize, they said to use to produce roofing sticks. You see this RO, roofing. Yes, roofing sticks, chairs, tables. You see tables, TA, tables. See chairs, CH, SH.
Okay.
Yeah, good job.
Welcome to back. Welcome to back.
I want to buy. I want to use it to buy. Go and bring your own here, Petro. Mama, what are you doing? What are you writing?
When I read it in the hall.
Write A like this. A.
Mommy, when I read it in the hall now, Teacher Bumba will tell. Look at the pictures.
Again.
Look at the picture.
Again.
Look at the pictures. Circle the.
I know it's going to be like really noisy, but because the journey is on and it's just noisy, yeah. Anyway, I just got back. I went out and I just came in, so I was like editing this video, and I noticed that there was no outro. I don't know why, but of recent times, English doesn't like it. Of this time, so of recent time, I've been struggling with ending my vlogs. I just start off vlogs, I just end off vlogs. I don't know why, okay? So please guys, bear with me. A lot is on my head. Like, I have so many things on my hand. Am I losing my voice? But yeah, this is the end of this vlog. This is a what should I say? Is it like, a silent vlog, but it is what it is, man. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, let me know. Tell me your highlights in this vlog, and I'll definitely see you guys in the very next one. Bye bye.